dito. We're having a nice... Pwede mo tulog. Ay, shit, matutulog mo na. Shh! Yes. Yan na, tapos na. We'll continue. I'm familiar with your surroundings. No. Like,
Ba't ang gulo mo?
you have just woken up here. Do you know where you are? No, malamang. Do you have any heart disease? Yes. Have you ever had a panic attack? No. No. Good. Putik good na gagawin dito sa... Do you believe there is a God? Yes. Yes! Do you believe in ghosts? Yes. Good. Sheesh, anong gagawin dito? Are you answering this question out of free will? Yes. Yes, duh. Yes. Pangalan nito.
Puro good ah.
Do you feel comfortable in your room? No. No.
Ayan, sisindi tayo.
Yes. Yes. Shit na yan.
Sabi mo kasi yes. Lakad.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Meron kami.
Nakabukas na be.
Ba't nabuksan?
Buksan yung pinto mo. Labas ka ah.
Yuko ah. Ito na lang. If you suddenly went missing, would anybody come looking for you? Oh.
Ano pinapaka? Bakit hindi saksak ko?
Itaktak mo.
Tingin ka na sa likod mo.
Yay!
Dito dapat ako. Labas ka nga, be.
Bin, ano ba yun?
Dito, be.
Bin naman.
Dito dapat ako.
Takot na
Lig na
naman.
nga, Leo.
Shit.